Hello and welcome to this video. So for this video, I'm going to be showcasing the dashboard that I created in Power BI. So I'm currently in Power BI Service where I deployed the dashboard. So this is an interactive dashboard that is used to track performance of different units in an organization. So as you can see on this landing page, you can actually see the user who is logged in, as well as the overview and the different departments that are being the initiatives that are being tracked. So let me start with the overview. Overview tab. If I click the overview, it takes me to the overview page where it's just showing me the performance score being broken down by the department and unit. As you can see, as I hover over the finance tree here, it shows me the KPIs that are feeding into the finance department, as well as the production, sales, and technology services. So if I click this button here, it takes me to the home page. If I want to see the initiatives that are being tracked for finance, as well as the KPIs, I just click the finance, and it shows me the objectives, the comment, in the timeline, as well as the responsible individual and the status of that initiatives. So on this page, we can also see the KPIs that are being tracked. If you want to go for production, just click the production. So this is also a navigation bar that is also available in Power BI. If you click this one, it will just take us to the production unit, the initiatives that are being tracked under the production department. For sales, just click sales, and for technology services, just click technology services. If you're done with the dashboard, you can just click this red button here. It takes us to the thank you page. That's the end page. And if you want to start the dashboard, you can just click the screen button here, and it will take us to the overview slide. And so this is the dashboard that I deployed in Power BI Service. But the actual dashboard, the one that I designed in Power BI is this one. And as you can see, that all of the other pages, I've hidden all of the other pages except the landing page. So I did this because when I deploy this one, when I deploy this dashboard, it will just take us to this. This is the only page that will be visible, and all of the other pages will be hidden. And as you can see, this is the overview page, finance, production, and sales, technology services, the thank you page, and the info. This is just a tooltip page that is being used on this overview slide. So this is what I designed, and I'll be coming up with tutorials on how you can come up with this nice dashboard. And but otherwise, see you on the next tutorials where I'll be showing you how you can come up with this dashboard. And thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching.